Alright guys, steps, frameworks, guidelines to repairing your car roof lining. Today we've got a Holden Vector. It's sagging quite badly. The customer has used drawing pins to try to hold it up. Problem with those, they don't stick in that well. They fall out very easily, land on your seat, and if you were to sit on them, they would be quite painful. They do drop out quite easily, so you can use these twist pins. Today I'll show you how to use them. You can purchase them, mostly probably found on eBay, Amazon. You can find the links below in my description. So you just find where you want to put it. This is sagging quite badly here. You poke it through. Once you've got it started, you can give it a gentle twist and that will hold it up. And then, yeah, just buy about 5, 10, 20, whatever suits you. The good thing about them is they're coming out quite easily. These ones here drop out very easy. You don't want them landing on your baby seats. They would hurt. And when you want to remove them, you just give them a twist in the opposite direction, of course, and they come out. And easy as that. So we'll just go ahead now and we'll just put a bunch of these, probably 3 at the back, 3 in the middle, 3 at the start for now. We'll see how it looks, eh?